course, the haze is a combination of smudges on the surface from me just using a towel and the moisture that's still under the film. And it's been in place for 20 minutes now, so obviously there's still going to be moisture hiding in there. You can see the additional layer of satin PPF that goes up this lip right here, from here to there. And of course here's a glossy black piece of trim that goes over that. All 4 doors will have 2 layers of PPF on them. There is no PPF on this rear quarter at this point. It's a little bit of the rear bumper. We are not detailing, I guess some people would consider it detailing, but just cleaning up the area on the back side that was real dusty, same as inside the skin. We've got a bit more wiping down to do in there. And the satin rear bumper PPF is also going to be covered up with glossy. That'll give us 2 layers of PPF on the rear bumper as well. Coming together to pretty all right.